Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 320d M Sport Saloon here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around and talk you through some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting of course with the outside, where you will see of course we fitted the Your Next Car Performance kit, which is fitted all in-house. Alongside that we have fitted this particular vehicle with the stunning 19-inch BMW M Sport alloys, which we've had fully refurbished in gloss black. We've also gone for the gloss black front kidney grills and the satin front splitter. Down the side we've got the satin vinyls and M Performance decals. This vehicle benefits from having the privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather, which benefits from having the electric lumbar support. We've got the Estral blue and aluminium hexagon trim inserts on the dash and centre console. Very lovely, clean and tidy vehicle inside and out. Round the back we have a gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser. Boot space on the 3 Series Saloon is very good. Plenty of space in there. We've also got the velour BMW floor mats. And I'll give you a little close up on the gloss black M Sport alloy wheels. Sit really nicely with the mineral grey of the body colour. One of the most popular colour combinations we do here at Your Next Car. Of course the rear seats are Isofix ready, so if you are planning on having the seats in the back, there's no worries at all. Moving on into the driver's seat. Of course we've got all 4 electric windows. We've got a multifunction M Sport steering wheel in leather. Inside the vehicle we've got BMW's business navigation and media. As you can see there, we've got the navigation screen up, we've got Bluetooth communications and media. We've got full DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Cruise control with speed limiter, volume controls, voice recognition. The vehicle itself has covered just over 88,000, as you can see there. If I click into the vehicle information, we'll be able to see all of the vehicle information, i.e. the service history. The vehicle itself is booked in to have a service, and that will be done in our in-house workshop, and it is due an engine oil change. However, it has got full BMW service history up to current, as you can see there, from its first service up to the most recent. And as I say, we will be carrying out an engine oil change and a full inspection on this vehicle prior to it going out, and that is booked in as of tomorrow. And of course we will fill out a full service report for you to have. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish the video on the 320d M Sport Saloon, sorry. We hope you found the video useful, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, thank you, bye bye.